Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we're in our kitchen. We're actually going to start phase one of redoing our kitchen. We've removed some of the tile. Now what we're doing is we're pulling out our refrigerator and we're going to move it into where we used to have shelves, and then we're going to make that into a pantry. So, step one, as you can see, we've already started removing some of the wood where he's already in that hole. That's where the refrigerator is going to go. We're going to run all the lines over to it and everything like that. And then we're going to build that corner into a pantry. So follow along, subscribe to our channel, and see how this gets changed.
Alright, Brent, can we get back to work now?
Alright, so we've moved the refrigerator over into its new permanent spot. We're going to do a design on top of it with wine bath boxes, so that's going to be really cool. This is all going to get removed. Today we're going to remove this and this wall and design how our pantry is going to look. Actually, I think the door's going to swing this way. So, we're going to remove this, but first we're going to remove this. We've already removed everything inside of it. So, we're just going to continue on with the process. Remove the doors, find out where the screws are, and just work our way around and get this thing out.
The top removed, and now it's time to get rid of this one.
Alright, the island is in, and now our next step is actually to start framing and building out our pantry. We've put our lines down so we know exactly how far we're going to go out on both sides here. We'll knock this out next, and then we'll build out our 2x4 frame and start getting this framed in. Alright, one wall in, a couple more to do. We're going to remove this today so we can build the wall out. We're still waiting on our door, but we can make the rough frame for it. So, next thing, we just keep working around, get this wall secured in, and keep going. Alright, so we've put up the drywall, we put our first layer of the mud up. We're going to let that dry, and then we'll do our touch-up layer. Then we're going to spray it, give it a little bit of a texture to match all the other walls here. And then we're going to paint this. Marie hasn't picked the color yet, but I think it's probably going to be like a cool blue. And then what we'll do is paint this. We'll even paint the ceiling white. And basically have this all set up. We just went out and bought all the shelving units, so we'll be installing that after we paint the walls. We've got a busy weekend ahead of us, so follow along as we try to get this piece done. We still don't have the door, but we'll keep waiting. Alright, as you can see, we've made quite a bit of progress here. We've painted the back wall. Now we're starting to hang our shelving system, so let's begin there. Oh yeah, the color that we picked, Dixie, Belle, the Golf chalk paint. So, came out really nice, like it, so let's get some shelves up. We're done with phase one. We'll move on to phase two, which is adding the door, creating the outside, getting that all finished, and then working our way down. As you can see, we've got quite a bit of storage, and it came out pretty nice. So stay tuned for phase two. We'll see you guys.